Admission into higher institution is not a mystery. You don't just have access to accurate and relevant information. What did I mean? With accurate and relevant information, it is very easy, even without spending so much, in securing admission to your choice of institution. Join me on my free online webinar where I will help you get accurate and relevant information as peculiar to your choice of school and program of study, so that you can secure that admission. So if you are a student looking for admission into either a university or a polytechnic or a college of education or even an institute of enterprise and innovations in Nigeria, you will not want to miss this opportunity. Click on the button below right now and join my chat room where you have access to the link to this my free online webinar on how to. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can watch the past series we have made on how to secure admission in higher institutions. The YouTube channel at eTutor101 is already displayed on the screen right now. Join, like, share and subscribe. See you right now. Don't forget, admission into higher institutions in Nigeria is easy and possible. God bless you.